Hi, I'm Jason from HVAC Technical Academy. Today we're talking about a filter dryer and how to replace it, when to replace it. First, you got to figure out when it's bad. Sometimes it's obvious, a lawnmower runs over it, something. If you have to change out a compressor, you have to change out that filter dryer. The filter dryer, it filters dirt, moisture, so it does not damage the compressor. One way to test if a filter dryer is clogged is to get your manifold out and look at your subcool and superheat. If that temperature is a 3-degree difference, that means this filter dryer is clogged, something's going on. Let's take that off. Okay, we got our acetylene and our oxygen. All right, we got it off. Now, we got our new one. We're going to put it back on. Oh, let's put that there. We got to get that on first. Okay, I gotta heat up a little more. That's it. Turn off our tanks. That's it. I'm Jason. Thanks for joining us. You have a good day.